Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can hide your WhatsApp number in WhatsApp groups. So let's get started. If you're part of public or large WhatsApp groups, you may not want everyone in the group to have access to your phone number. Privacy is important, especially when you're in communities with people you don't know personally. To begin, open WhatsApp on your device and tap on the menu or settings section, depending on whether you're using Android or iPhone. Once in Settings, select Privacy. Inside the Privacy menu, you'll find several options that control who can view your personal information. These include your profile photo, last seen status, about information, online status, and more. Review each of these settings carefully and choose whether you want them visible to everyone, my contacts except, or nobody. For maximum privacy, it's a good idea to limit access to your profile details so that only people in your contacts can view them when you're in shared groups. This helps reduce the amount of personal information that strangers can see when you're in shared groups. Keep in mind that WhatsApp group members can still see your phone number in many group situations because the number is used to identify participants. However, adjusting your privacy settings can help prevent strangers from seeing additional personal details connected to your account. It's also a good idea to avoid joining unknown groups and regularly review your privacy settings to make sure they're configured the way you want. By taking a few minutes to update these settings, you can make your WhatsApp account more private and secure while continuing to use group chats normally. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.